There had been a slide in demand for beef, and the National Cattlemen's Beef Association had a call for research to look at how could we combat that slide in demand. And part of that was because we were underutilizing a big significant portion of the beef carcass, the chuck and the round. We put in a proposal, as well as did University of Nebraska, that they liked, and they asked us to work together, and we did a initial project called muscle profiling, where we really studied in depth the characteristics of 37 different muscles. We actually looked at about almost 5,000 total cuts in that first initial study to compile information on those 37 muscles to know how that we could best merchandise them. Well, the first step that we did was we went to look at the muscles in the chuck and round and tried to profile each one for the characteristics that went from all the way from the compositional characteristics to the sensory, taste panel, tenderness, to find out everything we could about those muscles in those two portions of the beef carcass, so that we could then take that information and use it to best merchandise those at their highest and best use. One of the cuts that we were looking at this morning was the clod. It's scientifically, it's the name of that muscle, the triceps brachii, but we knew that there was a seam of connective tissue that if we separated that muscle and removed that seam of connective tissue, then we would be able to cut that individual steaks across the grain and really add value and improve the eating experience. They gave it the name the ranch cut. But here at the university, we've kind of personalized it and call it the Gator Griller. And what we found out is that it really started increasing the demand for those chuck and round cuts. And we saw an added value somewhere between $50 and $60 per head of additional value that was captured from those animals because of that initial research.